In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a Confluence page. Restoring a page in Confluence is a handy skill, especially when dealing with archived content that needs to be brought back into active use. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is where you can access all of your spaces and pages. Confluence uses a space-oriented structure. So the first thing you'll need to do is identify the space where the archived page resides. You'll find a list of your spaces in the navigation panel on the left-hand side. Go ahead and choose the space associated with the page you want to restore. Once you have selected your space, take a look at the menu options. Next to your space's name, you should see 3 dots. Clicking on these dots will reveal more settings for the space. This is where you'll gain access to various configuration options that are specific to this particular space. So, go ahead and click those 3 dots. After clicking on the 3 dots, you'll want to choose the Space Settings option. This is crucial because it will take you to the area where you can manage content, permissions, and other settings for your space. Space settings act like a central hub for controlling every facet of the space, including its archived content. With the space settings open, your next step is to locate and click on Content in the menu. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all the material housed within your space. Here, you'll have the ability to browse, manage, and, most importantly for today's task, restore archived pages. Now, once you're in the Content section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Archived. Select this to enter the repository where all your archived content is kept. This is where you'll find a list of pages that have been set aside for future reference or potential restoration. Move through the archived pages until you locate the specific page you intend to restore. Once found, you'll see 3 dots next to the page you want to resurrect. Click on those dots to bring up a small menu. From this menu, simply click on the Restore option. This will instantly move the page out of the Archive section and back into the main content area of your space. The restored page will now be accessible for viewing, editing, and any other collaborative needs you might have moving forward. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to bringing an archived Confluence page back to life. It's a straightforward process, but one that greatly aids in managing your content efficiently. Don't forget, should you need to restore more pages in the future, these steps will be just as applicable. Happy restoring!